So today,
Eventful day.
random 911 call. The homie Abel lost one of the bolts that holds the wheel to the strut, and he's got like negative 45 camber, so we have to go and rescue him because nobody has bolts that fit. And I also happen to have parts from my old Subaru, so we're gonna go take it to him. It's about an hour away, so keep you guys updated. Pulled up to rescue Abel, and look at whole ass car meat. Sheesh. God damn.
Super specialty. Oh, shit. 20, keep it.
Hey, we're number 257.
If you look both ways.
Yeah, fucking kiss each other already while you're at it. Huh? All fixed now. Sheesh. Love it.
My car's not saying ka-chow anymore, bro. Sheesh. I break shit, I buy shit. I break shit, I buy shit. I love it. Dude, what the fuck? It's just holding on by a fucking...
Legitly, dude.
By nothing.
Shall I go for it? Shoo. Good.
You did it, Joe?